to the shop. Thomas here. We'll get another HackerBox. I know it was pretty close to the last one, but I forgot to post it before I left. Anyways, and actually, I was hoping to have something else posted before this, but I sometimes I use two cameras, a GoPro and a G85 Lumix, and the GoPro decided it didn't capture stuff, so I got to reshoot some of that stuff. So, but I think you guys will like what's coming up. Anyways, HackerBox number 0055 High Roller. Wonder what that means. Alright, see what we got. Huh. Confetti. Interesting. These are, I think, chest, or monitors to sensors rather, to ECG electrode. That's cool. That's actually interesting. Pretty neat. That's kind of cool. So they hook up to the thing and you stick them to different parts of your body. Hopefully that's better. That's interesting. All right. M5 cam module. That's a little tiny sucker. What is it? Oh, it's a heat sink. Pretty neat. Little button, I think, or switch maybe. I don't know. I think it's a switch, but I don't want to push it and break it and it not be a switch. So I'll wait till I see for sure. All right, what do we got here? What do we got? Okay, so USB-C, mini, full size A. What does that say? USB 4. XY USB 4. Okay. Well, that's cool. Oh, that goes there. I want to say that's a little buck converter, but I can't really tell by looking at it. That's what it looks like to me anyway. It's a little buck converter. Backdoors and breaches. Incident response card game. Ah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Maybe. Can I get it open? I don't know. It doesn't want to open. There it goes. Yeah, got to drop them all. They're really slick. Red teaming threat hunting, that's kind of cool. Well, that's really neat. Lots and lots of cards. That's really cool. I like it. It's like a power cable for the little camera. Some jumpers for whatever. USB-C to A. We've got a weird one of those. What is it? What is this? I just thought hydrodecacon or something like that. I can't remember, but that's pretty cool. Hydrodecacon. I'm not saying it right. Somebody will correct me. And there's a scorpion sticker. That's interesting. Hacks her life. Alright. I think that's all. See you next time.
Yeah.